Want to install Windows or Linux from a USB drive? In this video, I'll show you create a bootable USB from any ISO file using PowerISO. Let's get started. First, we need to install the PowerISO. Click the exe file and installation will start. The setup wizard will guide you through installation. Accept the license agreement and continue. You can leave everything at default. Click install and wait a few seconds. Select all kind of image files which want to associate with PowerISO. You can also configure number of virtual drives, although for making bootable USB it is not necessary. Select whether you want PowerISO to start with Windows or not. Similarly, select and unselect other options. Click on Close. PowerISO is now installed. If you're using the free version, you can still create bootable USBs without any issue. Make sure these things. Your USB drive should be at least 8 GB to make bootable USB of Windows 11. Then make sure it doesn't contain important data as it will be formatted. And you should have the ISO files of the operating system from which you will create bootable USB. Now insert your USB flash drive. Open PowerISO application from its shortcut. Go to Tools menu and select Make USB Bootable Drive. It will tell you to run PowerISO as an administrator. Click OK and it will restart the app. The first box is used to locate ISO file. Click on these three dots and locate the ISO file. In our case it is Windows 11 Pro ISO. And then click Open. The USB is already selected, but if you have more USB inserted, make sure to select the right one. Click Start. It is a warning message that all the data on USB will be erased. Confirm and click OK. The writing process will start. It will take few minutes. And it is successful. Let us confirm it. Open File Explorer and open the USB. The Windows files can be seen. And that's it. You successfully created a bootable USB using PowerISO. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.